Transforming your ordinary video clips into cinematic masterpieces is now within reach with CapCut's incredible motion blur effect. Let's dive right in and learn how to add that professional, dynamic flair to your footage, making every movement pop. First things first, open up CapCut and import the video clip you want to enhance. Tap on the clip in your timeline to select it. You'll see a menu of editing options appear at the bottom. Now, let's navigate to the Effects option. Tap on that to open up the vast library of video effects CapCut offers. Within the Effects menu, we're going to look for Body Effects. This is where the magic truly happens for motion blur. Scroll through the body effects until you find Motion Blur. Go ahead and tap on it to apply it to your selected clip. You'll see an immediate change in your video, a subtle blur that already hints at movement, but we're just getting started. To fine-tune this effect, tap on the Adjust button. This is your control center for customizing the motion blur. Here, you'll find a blur slider. Dragging this to the right will increase the intensity of the motion blur, making the movement more pronounced and dramatic. Next, the intensity slider controls how strong the blur effect is. Experiment with this to find the perfect balance for your specific video. Higher intensity means more blur. The color slider lets you add a subtle color cast to your blur, which can add an extra layer of artistic flair. Play around with this if you're looking for a specific mood. If you only want motion blur on specific parts of your video, you can tap on Objects and select where you want the blur to apply. This gives you incredible control. Once you're happy with your adjustments, simply tap the checkmark to confirm you've now successfully added a professional motion blur effect to your video. See the difference? That subtle blur adds so much depth and professionalism. It's perfect for showcasing anything from sports action to smooth transitions. Now, all that's left is to export your masterpiece and share it with the world. You've just learned a powerful trick to make your videos truly stand out.